Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Behind me is a beautiful 67 Chevelle Convertible. This thing's hot. It's a bit of a resto mod with a nice built-up big block and EFI, a laundry list of other good things. Tune in as I get you familiar with a new arrival here at Lafontaine. Kicking things off at the front end. Man, this car looks good. It's been all refinished. We got new chrome, new grille, new headlights, and it's standing proud. We got good body gaps. That hood sits nicely down into the fenders. I love these kind of simulated heat extraction vents that came on these 67 cars. Hood release just up underneath here. That's a beautifully dressed 396. This thing's got a nice healthy cam in it, some large diameter hooker headers, billet valve covers, high-rise aluminum intake with Holley Sniper fuel injection up underneath this thing. So you key it on like a new car, electric fuel pump runs, and it comes right to life. We've got vintage AC as a nice addition. We have power steering, and we've got power brakes. Nice Optima red top battery, gloss painted inner fenders, and the underside of this hood is nice and dashing too. I'll show you this closing up. Like that. Now we come down the side of this car. We're getting our stance from a set of 17-inch SS mag wheels. These things are really sharp looking. We got the nice SS caps. You see our disc brakes beyond there. And we're riding on BF Goodrich G4 Sport tires. It's a 245 R17 up front. Great gaps from door to fender. Nice looking mirror. Chrome on the door handles looks to be new. Got great gaps there as well. Soft top looking nice and white. Don't see any tears. And out back, look at that tire. We got a good bit more rubber out here. This time a 275/40 on a 17-inch rim once more. Filling up those wheel arches really well. Love the tail panels on the 67s. This thing is hot. When you take a step back, you get to see the dual exhaust just glistening out from underneath that bumper and blacked out tail panel. Really cool looking tail lamp surrounds. And what do we have in the trunk? We've got a full-size spare. How about that? You see everything's finished in the factory GM speckle paint. Trunk gutter looks nice, fitted with the new seal. Underside of the deck lid has that original Jack Instruction sticker, which is just fun. It's a cool detail to throw back on here when you're building your hot rod. I like that. Cruising down the passenger side, it's laser straight, no ripples in the body. Glass looks good once more, as do the moldings. These seals look to be new. And our windscreen, that is likely a new piece as well, because I don't see any delamination and there's no chips or cracks. All right, when you're doing up your Resto Mod 67 Chevelle, I really appreciate it when a guy keeps it very stock appearing. This thing's gonna age so well. It looks good in here. It looks good today. It'll look good next week. Nice door cards. Top of the door is finished in gloss black. Sharp set of bucket seats with some lap belts. Nice 3-spoke SS wheel. Factory dash in here with the speedo run up to 120 miles per hour. To the right hand of that, we have a RetroSound Bluetooth head unit. And we have our AC controls downstairs. Speaking of downstairs, we also have our Holley Sniper EFI head unit. This could easily be disconnected and stored in the glove box if you didn't like its look right there. However, if you want to adjust your idle, adjust your air to fuel ratio, easy to do right here on the fly. And it's also a nice source to check the vitals of your engine. You can get some good readings from this. Got a functional clock down in the console. Love to see those. And we're shifting a nice Muncie gearbox with a Hurst competition shifter. Console here also features a cup holder. You need one of those more often than you could think. And our glove box is clean and simple, and it is short, and that's because of the vintage air control unit. Dash pad in a wonderful condition. Rear view mirror looks nice and bright. And let's check out the back. We got some more matching floor mats, nice inner cards. You see these are gloss black as well, like they should be. We have some extra sounds to go with that nice RetroSound Bluetooth unit from Kicker. Top of the seat in good condition. Rear vinyl window looks nice. And this whole frame looks like it's been stripped and recoated with a nice glossy black. this screen, we get to look at all sorts of great things. Our RPM once more with a nice little fun tack in the middle, our AFR, our degrees of timing, monitor our coolant temp sensor in the head, our amp meter, duty cycle to the injectors, I believe, our throttle positioning sensors, of course, at 0 because the gas is off, and we are not working the idle air control valve at all because this thing's just idling sweet. All right, we're taking off from the shop. This thing's running like $1 million. Power steering feels great. Power brakes also feel very good. This 4-speed, nice and notchy with that Hurst shifter. Exhaust sounds incredible. And she's just a comfortable cruiser now. Now, it's got AM, FM, and Bluetooth. There's the factory under dash speaker, which has been upgraded. And then we also have the couple of kickers in the rear cards, which really bring the sound in. You can hear when this thing starts to dump some more fuel in there, a little over, I don't know, about quarter throttle. That's sweet. Speedo's working, the fuel gauge is working. Drop her down 3. Woo! This is a very fun ride. I'll lose my hat. She's tight in the turns. And I'm sure it's going to be difficult to hear, but we have our blower motor work on all the speeds, heat, and now we hear the AC compressor kick on. If you want to know anything more about this car, you can always call us at 248-714-2110 or reach us via email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. We ship these nationwide, worldwide. We offer financing. You name it, we can help, and we'd be happy to do so. Also, folks, quick recap on this beautiful car. This is like the best of both worlds. Totally fun muscle car. Had a ball driving it today. You can also put the top down and just cruise it nice and easy. It has some great upgrades, you know, the power steering, the power disc brakes, the air conditioning, the fuel injection, the 4-speed, the 12-bolt out back, these Hot Wheels. I'd like this car, and I think it's going to be a great one for somebody. All that other information I gave you, it'll be down below, the phone number and email, and also a link we leave down there. That link will take you to the full listing of this car on our website. That's where we keep 100+ pictures all the way around it. Up underneath it, it's a clean, dry, rust-free car underneath there. You have to go check out that link, and also a breakdown of everything that makes this beast up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.